How to get electric claw in blox fruits. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get a powerful electric claw fighting style in blox fruits. This is one of the most sought after fighting styles, so follow along to get it for yourself. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to meet a few requirements before you can get the electric claw, so make sure you've already unlocked the electric fighting style and leveled it up to mastery 400. Additionally, you need to be at least level 300 or above, and you'll need 3000 fragments to purchase the electric claw. Next, you'll need to find the NPC known as the Master of Electric. He's located at the floating turtle island in the 3rd sea. To get there, use a boat or teleport if you have access to the teleportation abilities. Once on the island, look for the Master of Electric in a hidden cave area. After you find the Master of Electric, speak to him and he'll give you a special quest to unlock the electric claw fighting style. The quest usually requires you to travel a distance of 5000 meters within the game. You can use flash step or a fast boat to cover the distance quickly. Once you've completed the quest by traveling the required distance, return to the Master of Electric and he will now offer you the electric claw fighting style in exchange for 3000 fragments. Purchase it and now you've unlocked one of the most powerful fighting styles in blox fruits. And there you have it. That's how you get the electric claw fighting style in blox fruits. It's a powerful upgrade and definitely worth the effort. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more blox fruits guides. Thanks for watching and see you next time.